Lakteche County ma Nairobi ong'anyo ka giywago deko mar osara margi kod rem medo gi ngas mag tije. Lakteche gi otimo romo kod jofwambo kinde machuok ka giikore chako ng'anyo margi ewi ywak magin. Wawinjane mane giwacho kapok ne gichako ng'anyo.
Fulfilled none of them whatsoever. So today we are here because we want to put pressure to the county so that they can fulfill their promises.
Yes.
Some of the things which they actually told us, which the county is doing illegally, they're dismissing doctors illegally. Imagine waking up and getting a dismissal letter without any protocols followed, without even a show cause letter, without even any warning letter. And then we have issues of promotions. Doctors are meant to be promoted since 2023. There was a budget for the same. Unfortunately, that has not happened, and we are in 2025. We are being told to wait for the next financial year, which is 2026-2027. How are we meant to survive? With the inflation of everything around us, now we have SHA, we have house levy, we have everything. Our salaries are being deducted left, right, and center.
Judging from the way you are dressed here today, this tells you that we are serious. And we need the county government to take this thing with the seriousness it deserves. We are ready to go all the way until they sort our issues out. I want it to be very clear. Sometimes they think we are joking. You see, as doctors, we only go on strike once because we know our strikes are not a joke. Patients' lives are at risk. We only go for strike like once in 5 years, sometimes even 10 years, because we don't like doing it. So please, Nairobi County Government, we are glad that at last you've taken the seriousness of cleaning garbage in this city. But you're forgetting one serious garbage, the garbage of not taking healthcare seriously.